Okay, 127 wants us to graph the inequalities. So the first one, right, let's do this. The first one's a quadratic, right? So when x is 0, y is 0, right? When x is 1, y is 1, right? When x is 2, y is 4, right? And then the axis symmetry is there, so that and that. So there's our equation graphed, because it's a quadratic, so it's a parabola. Now we have to pick a point. Let's pick a point, I don't know, inside. Let's pick this point right there. So that point is 0, 2, right? 0, 2. So let's see if it satisfies it. So 2 is less than 0 squared. 2 is less than 0. No, 2 is not less than 0, so that means it's this side that's shaded, right? It's everywhere outside the parabola, right? Okay. And now the next equation, or inequality, is y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. So the y-intercept is 2, so right here. And the slope is 1, so it goes here, and then here. And it's a solid line because, I made a mistake. The first one is an inequality, so it should be a dashed parabola. Luckily, I have the ability to do that quite easily. Okay, and again, the reason I did that is because this is a less than sign. Okay, so now my line goes like this, right? And it's solid, right? So it goes like this. Oops. There's my line. And I have to pick a point, like 0, and I put it in. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Is it? No, it's not, so that means it's this side. So then the double shaded area would be here and here, right? That's the solution set.